Hello, this is Robby from Robby's Art, and today I want to talk about the reasons why I chose Blender when I decided to leave Lightwave. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Blender is free. I don't have to buy the software. I just go on the website and just download it. It's free. It has a very powerful rendering engine, Cycles. I don't know if you've ever seen, but there are plenty of renders out there. It's good. It actually brings out a realistic kind of render with minimal effort, you know. It actually does most of the calculations for you. So I figured that is the way to go for me. Blender has sculpting, so meaning I can sculpt as well in the same software. I don't have to go to another software like ZBrush to actually start sculpting. I don't have to bother myself too much. I can simply sculpt in Blender and then still in Blender control the polygons. Then another thing is I can also paint in Blender. So Lightwave doesn't have that. I don't know why they didn't include that, or maybe I just don't know. If somebody knows, should tell me. But as far as I've used Lightwave, I cannot paint in Lightwave. That was just a downer for Lightwave. Blender has a node-based modeling support system. I can actually model using nodes. You literally can control everything just using nodes. I've seen this guy who makes a lot of insane stuff on Twitter. Mind-blowing. Why wouldn't I want to use a software that has that, and I can actually learn that, which means I have vast knowledge, and meaning I can actually have more control over my models. Blender has a huge community, meaning it makes it very easy for a newbie to actually start up. And finally, the last reason is they have a release schedule that is about 3 months, which is awesome. So they release a new version every after 3 months. Alright, so thank you for watching. These are some of the reasons why I actually switched. When I actually left from Lightwave, I went to Blender. I've had a lot of people asking me, why did you stop using Lightwave? Did you what? Just to be honest, I did not completely stop, because I've used Lightwave for a very long time and I feel like I can't just switch immediately. I can't just move from one software and forget about Lightwave. No. I receive commercials every now and then you find I'm still not as conversant with Blender as I was with Lightwave. So sometimes I would switch and I go to Lightwave, then just do the whole work and then go to Blender. There's a point that I want to reach that I personally feel I'll feel comfortable, because I don't want to release commercials out there to a client and then the client just says, no, this doesn't look like what I saw on your page. That is not what I want. Every now and then, if you guys have a question for Lightwave, I will definitely help. I have no intentions of holding back the knowledge that I have. So yeah, just ask away and I'll still help. But eventually I will reach a point where I feel I will stop using Lightwave. I will completely go to Blender. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and till next time, bye bye.